Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to view your form submissions. To see your form submissions, click on the form you wish to see submissions for, and select Show Entries. Here you'll have one row for each employee submission. You can either scroll to the right to see the information filled in for all submissions, or you can click on the paper icon to look at a specific form. Keep in mind that as a manager, you also have the option to edit the information from here, or fill out the manager fields on the right, which we have a separate video about. To find information quickly, you can also filter for information. For instance, in my incident report, I can filter for incidents with severity 4. Apart from viewing the information, you can also download it as PDF, print, download just its attachments, or delete it. Another great option to get a bird's eye view of specific questions is to utilize the summary, which gives you the option to view multiple answers to one question. Take severity as another example. We can now get a response distribution for how severe the incidents are. We can also look at a drop-down field and quickly determine that the majority of incidents are minor injuries. Don't forget that just like the previous view, you can use the filter to slice and dice the information. For example, you can only look at a specific department or region and see their responses. Thanks for watching.